Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Honda Fit steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Wait a minimum of 3 minutes to allow the airbag system to fully discharge. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment during the removal process. Also, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and the front wheels are straight before you begin. Next, we'll tackle the airbag module. On the sides of your steering wheel, you will find 2 small access holes. Use a flathead screwdriver to push in the retaining clips through these holes, releasing the airbag. Gently pull the airbag module forward. You will then see 2 electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect both of these by pressing their release tabs. Store the airbag safely, face up, away from any heat sources. Now, let's remove the main steering wheel nut. You will need a 19mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet or breaker bar. Loosen the large nut in the center of the steering wheel. It might be quite tight, so apply firm, steady pressure. Crucially, do not remove the nut completely. Leave it threaded on by a few turns. This prevents the steering wheel from flying off when you pull it. With the nut partially on, it's time for the final pull. Grip the steering wheel firmly with both hands at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. Apply steady, even pressure, wiggling it gently from side to side while pulling it towards you. The steering wheel should eventually come loose from the splined shaft. Once free, carefully slide it off, ensuring no wires are snagged. You have successfully removed your Honda Fit steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.